It's a great pleasure to present a work of Padma Shri Dr. S.L. Kate, Head Sickle Cell Unit, Maharashtra Arogya Mandal, Hadapsar, Pune. Dr. Kate sir involved in the community control program in Sickle Cell Unit for more than 50 years. Dr. Pooja Doshi ma'am, the Associate Professor at Department of Chemistry, SPPU, Pune, who is working in the field of sickle cell disorder, and she is in collaboration since last 6 years with Kate sir. Sickle cell anemia is a autosomal recessive blood disorder characterized by HB variant called HBS, where the normal RBC becomes sickle-shaped. The sickle cell disease inheritance pattern indicates that two carriers may give birth to 25% of normal, 50% of carriers, and 25% of sufferer children. Clinical finding shows that vaso-occlusive crisis and other symptoms may turn out into fetal at very early childhood stage. The treatment involved hydroxyurea to reduce severity of symptoms like bone marrow transplant. Gene therapy are available but very costly. Stem cell therapy, which is under research and development. Sickle Cell Davakhana, established by Maharashtra Arogya Mandal, is involved in the activities like diagnosis, counseling of patients, and population genetic survey. Sickle cell anemia is a very common among scheduled tribe and scheduled caste population from the Satpura hill areas from North Maharashtra, districts like Dhule, Nandurbar, and Jalgaon. The estimated number is approximately 36,000 sickle cell patients and 7.2 lakh sickle cell carriers. Our center is located near the Narmada River on the borderline of Maharashtra with neighboring states like Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh. Now more than 5,000 patients avail these facilities. After diagnosis, we issue red identity cards to sickle cell sufferers, yellow to carriers, and white to those who do not harbor the sickle cell gene. In the counseling division, we explain all details including hereditary nature of disease and in case of crisis what to do and what not to. We also give them full information about prenatal diagnosis and refer them to the ICMR center at Mumbai. Our main aim is to make a sickle cell free North Maharashtra. Maharashtra Arogya Mandal has come up with an excellent Ayurvedic medicine involving various medicinal plants with proven health benefits. While population screening studies, the team has come across the unique family with 8 sickle cell anemia children. The prevention strategy involved in birth of sickle cell children are pre-marriage counseling, prenatal diagnosis, pre-implementation facilities, and family planning. Also, messages are given like blood screening is more important than matching kundlis before marriage. These are the photographs of 100 medical camp conducted by Maharashtra Arogya Mandal team. For such a great social work, immense gratitude goes to late Shri Dada Gujjar sir, Shri Anil Gujjar sir, Dr. S.L. Kate sir, and Dr. Gram Sarjan. Dr. S.L. Kate has been awarded with Padma Shri in 2019 for his great work in the field of sickle cell anemia. To provide laboratory diagnosis, treatment, and counseling free of charge to the sickle cell disease affected patients of the remotest areas of the Satpura hilly ranges, Dr. Kate has established the Sudham Kate Research Foundation, for which your contribution in any form is valuable. With Kate sir's continuous support, Dr. Pooja Doshi, Associate Professor at Department of Chemistry, SPPU, Pune, with her team and vigorous effort, has come up with a new invention in the treatment of sickle cell disorder. In this new invention from herbal medicinal plant which containing anti-sickling agent has been discovered. She has also filed a patent on this herbal extract. She also has various publications in Journal of Biomolecular Structure and Dynamics on the use of different synthetic drugs like alizarin, isoquercetin, and genistein for the treatment of sickle cell disorder. Here are the various newspaper columns of her work in sickle cell field. Thank you for giving such opportunity to elaborate ongoing work of sickle cell disease.